Let's create Mother's Day photo collage. Open Canva and click Create. Choose Custom Size. Set unit to pixels and width will be 3600. The height 4800. Click Create New Design. Go to Element. Add this mother and son silhouette. Increase the size. Rotate a little. Back to Element and type Line. I will use this one. Change the stroke color. Increase the stroke weight. Set it here. Duplicate. Move here. Duplicate and rotate 90 degrees to the left. And place it here. Duplicate this vertical line and place it here. Duplicate again. Place here and reduce the size of the line. You can add more lines to add more photo frames. Now go to Apps and type Collage. Choose Collage Maker. Choose this icon. Click Convert. This is a pro level. Click Convert. Choose Transparent Background. Click Export. Click Split. And then click this one. And choose White. And choose Split Around. Add a new page. And then click Add to Design. So now you have the photo collage frames. You can also change the color of the background. And then insert your photo to each frames. Just drag and drop the photos. Now go to Element and choose Shape and add a square. Increase the size like this. Place in the center. Click the color button and choose no color and add the stroke weight. Change the color of the stroke. I will use gradient. I will use this one. You can choose anything you want. So now we have it, and then click Share. Download. Choose PNG or PDF for the page 2 only. And then download. So now we have it. Please hit the like button if you like this tutorial. See you next video and have fun with Canva.